Okay, so once you get the hard drive replaced with the SSD and put the hard drive in the optical spot, now you gotta boot your system and install Mojave. So I have a Mojave installer with a patcher so that I can put it on a 2011. I'm gonna hit the power button and hold Command R. Hopefully, maybe. I don't think it worked. Maybe it was Option R. Could have been Option R. We shall find out. Restart and hold down Command R to boot into recovery mode. Okay, so that's what I did wrong. Perfect. Alright, let's shut this down. So the bong sounds, and you hold Command R.
And hold it. And hold it. And hold it.
Perfect disk utility. Alright. First off, let's go into, no, I don't want to do anything to the base system. No, I don't want to do anything to my installer USB. I want to wipe out everything off of my terabyte hard drive. Let's just call that 1 terabyte hard drive. Okay, and let's put that in exFAT so I can read it from anything if I need to later. Erase failed. Just takes a couple finagling. Alright, let's initialize this one. Erase. Okay, cool. Alright. Beautiful. X. Gotta hold down Option to get into the boot menu. You restart it, hold down Option when the sound, the bong sounds, then you go from there. So we're back, it's installed. We're gonna hold down the Option key. So we're going into post-install patcher. Basically we're Hackintoshing, we're putting in new kex for old hardware that Mojave has left out because they want you to buy a new Mac. Selecting model. I have a MacBook Pro 8,2. Blah blah blah. Select volume. Patch. Now that we've added these kex and the plist and all that, it should boot normally. Hopefully this works better than trying to install it onto a desktop PC. Alright, looks like we're ready to go. then you just input your information normally. Should work semi-normally. I think you have to, if you have a AMD Radeon HD 5000 or 6000s secondary dedicated GPU in your laptop, then you have to disable that for certain funky anomalies to go away. Whatever. That dark mode's really the only reason to have Mojave, so if you don't turn it on after installing, after doing all this work, you should have just had High Sierra. But that dark mode, then your patch updater will automatically open and install patches. Easy peasy. Hopefully it runs smoothly. See what light mode looks like, just for the heck of it. Looks fine. Maybe I looked out? Maybe? Maybe not. I don't know. Nice. Very nice. Running smooth, running smooth. Nice and snappy. Cool. Oh. Something disappeared. Oh dear. Oh, Google. Yeah, I mean, if whatever the problems you're having with Mojave are bad enough that you just can't stand them, just install High Sierra. No harm done. See ya.